Hi guys, this is Panorama unit, like a fixed glass unit. The size 230 inches by 83 inches. So we just assembled that, so you can see that we just put a caulking, assemble it. So we put a bracket inside to hold these corners, so when we move it, it didn't open. So this is the frame. You can see this is the top of the frame, so you can see how bigger. So you can see all the corners, same thing. We put it all together, put a silicone caulking, so same thing inside. So looks everything perfect. Same thing here, all the corners, outside, same thing inside. You can see how bigger this is a huge one. Again, it's a 230 inches by 83 inches, I'm sorry. Same thing over here, you can see the bracket it's in. So that's gonna go over there. Do the next video tomorrow.